Hello, happy Sunday to every one of us. Now I'm cooking my breakfast. What time is it now? It's almost 10:30. So I finished my laundry all, and I finished already in the small balcony and the big, what's that? The room of Madam. So I feel hungry already, and I prepare my breakfast. The patata, and then ayan, egg, and the corned beef. That is the corned beef that I miss. I like it here in the Saudi, in the Arabian countries, even in the basta sa ibang bansa. Gusto ko to na corned beef. Ito yung gustong gusto ko na corned beef.